Can't access Facebook Marketplace? Try these fixes. Check Facebook Marketplace eligibility. Open the Facebook app on your device. At the top left corner, tap on the menu icon. At the bottom, select Settings and Privacy. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings. Here, tap on Account Center. Select Profiles and Personal Details. Scroll down and look for the option Birthday. Make sure your age is 18 or older. If needed, update your date of birth correctly. Update the Facebook app. Open the Google Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, type Facebook and click on it. Check if an update is available. Tap on Update to install the latest version. Clear Facebook cache. Open the Facebook app on your device. Tap the menu icon at the top left corner. At the bottom, click on Settings and Privacy. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings. Scroll down to the Preference section. Here, click on the Browser option. At the top, beside the Cookies and Cache, click on the Clear option. At the bottom, again, click on Clear to confirm. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Here, turn on airplane mode for 60 seconds. Then turn it back off. Report the problem to Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your device. Tap the menu icon at the top left. At the bottom, click on Help and Support. Here, select Report a Problem. Scroll down and click on Continue to Report. Here, select Marketplace from the list. Explain the issue clearly. After that, in the top right corner, click on Send. Facebook support can review and restore Marketplace access if there's an account issue. And that's it.